Hey everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. In today's video, we are diving into a super handy feature in Odoo purchase module, how to duplicate and reuse past purchase orders. So, whether you guys reorder from the supplier regularly or you guys want to speed up your purchasing process, you guys can easily use the trick and it can save you a ton of time. So without wasting any time, let's directly move to the purchase module. So let me show you using a real-time example. For that, let's say you guys are running up a furniture showroom. And every month, you guys are reordering the particular furnitures from the same vendor. Okay. So instead of creating a new purchase order from the scratch every month, what you can do? You can just duplicate the last one and update the quantity or price and everything. Okay. So let's move to the order session and there you can find the purchase order and let's find ours. Okay. So let it be ready-made purchase order. Okay. So here you can see every detail of this particular purchase order, like the vendor is ready-made and there you can see the product detail like acoustic block screen with 20 quantity, flipper with 10 quantity and everything. And this product is not received yet. Right. So let's move to the actions and there you can find the duplicate. Just simply click on the. And tada, you can see the magic that Odoo will create everything, right? So Odoo creates an exact copy of original purchase order that you can see previously. And you can see it's the same vendor, same product, and also the same quantity, right? So now you guys can update the delivery date, change the quantity, or even edit the pricing also. So let me update the quantity. So let it be 30, right? So once you have done with all the updations, just hit confirm order. And that's it. So it's been live on the purchase order. So let me give you some pro tip also. Like you can just duplicate any purchase order even if it's already received, and it's a great way to maintain consistency for recurring purchase order, right? So you guys can also filter to find specific vendor or a product before duplicating it. So that's all about the video. With just a few clicks, you guys can duplicate and reuse the purchase order like a pro in Odoo, right? So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Odoo tips. And let us know in the comment section if you have any queries. And thanks for watching. Check out our Odoo full purchase management playlist for more real world tips. And until next time, happy purchasing and thank you.